Bellwork 4.4b, question number 5. You'll notice that I already highlighted r to the negative 5th, s to the negative 3rd in the numerator, and then r to the negative 7th, t to the negative 5th in the denominator. That's because those exponents are negative. And if you look over here, our first step is to take those negative exponents and make them positive. So, for the terms in the numerator, they will get moved to the denominator. And the ones in the denominator will get moved to the numerator. If it's not highlighted, it's not moving. Again, if it's not highlighted, it's not moving. The best way to do this is first write down what is staying and kind of space things out. It makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to put my negative 36. My t to the 4th stays. And my w squared stays. Now look at the bottom. Now notice I didn't write these two right here. I didn't write those two because they're moving to the bottom. Looking at the bottom though, I've got the two here and here that are highlighted. They're going to move to the numerator. So r to the negative 7th in the numerator becomes r to the 7th. T to the negative 5th, moving to the numerator, becomes t to the positive 5th. For the denominator, the 12 stays. I have an s to the 1st and a w to the 6th. This moved to the top, this moved to the top, so I don't have that anymore. But now looking at the top, I can finish my denominator because these two here moved to the denominator. So it'll be now an r to the 5th on the bottom and s to the 3rd on the bottom. Okay. So now that all my exponents are positive, I can divide. But if you notice, it doesn't just say divide, it also says to multiply. And the reason why it says that is because you've got these two s's here in the denominator, and you have these two t terms here in the numerator. Because they're side by side, either in the numerator or denominator, that's no longer division. That is multiplication. So that's why we're going to be both dividing and multiplying in this step. Okay, so dividing, let's go with negative 12 goes into negative 36. Or sorry, positive 12 goes into negative 36, negative 3 times. In other words, negative 36 divided by 12 is negative 3. R to the 5th has the smaller exponent. You will need to find the exponent for the r in the numerator. W to the 2nd has the smaller exponent. You will have to find the exponent for the w in the denominator. So again, you will need to find this exponent here and this exponent here. You also need to find what the exponents will be for the t and the s. So now, I move this down for my final answer. I'm going to write it in purple. All right. I'm going to move the negative 3 out front, or the negative sign out front. We still have a 3 in the numerator. We have an r in the numerator and a t in the numerator. In the denominator, we have s and w. And that is it for question number 5. If you have any questions on number 5, please let me know. As far as number 6, I am not helping you at all with number 6. If you need help, I would strongly suggest looking at your notes, but it is an easy problem and you are going to do number 6 on your own. So if you have any questions on Bellwork 4.4b, please do not hesitate to ask.